Know the amazing health benefits of curry leaves. Curry leaves are a common cooking ingredient for people native to India's subtropical and tropical regions. The curry leaves are known for their aroma and are often used for seasoning oils, soups or stews. Apart from culinary uses, the leaves are also used in Ayurvedic and herbal medicines. These aromatic leaves are a rich source of vitamins A, B, C and B2, calcium, protein, amino acids, phosphorus, fiber and iron. However, the health benefits of curry leaves are mostly due to the alkaloids they contain. They also have antioxidant, antibacterial, insecticidal, anticarcinogenic, antimicrobial and antidiabetic properties. Because of this nutritional profile, the leaves have been used in folklore medicine to treat several health problems. You can use these leaves raw or in dried form. 1. Keeps diabetes in check. If you have diabetes and want to keep your blood sugar level under control in a natural way, include curry leaves in your diet. By doing so, you can protect and stimulate insulin-producing pancreatic cells. This will lower your blood sugar. In addition, the leaves influence carbohydrate metabolism and also reduce the risk of oxidative stress. 2. Lowers LDL cholesterol. LDL, low-density lipoproteins, or bad cholesterol can be lowered by consuming curry leaves on a daily basis. Being rich in antioxidants, curry leaves prevent the oxidation of cholesterol that forms LDL, bad cholesterol. The leaves also help increase the level of HDL, high-density lipoproteins, or good cholesterol. This in turn protects you from conditions like heart disease and atherosclerosis, which can cause early death. 3. Eliminates free radicals. Curry leaves are rich in carbazole alkaloids, which have antioxidative properties. These properties work to protect your body's cells from damage caused by oxidants, which are free radicals that play a major role in disease formation. 4. Encourages weight loss. If you are struggling with weight loss, you have another reason to add curry leaves to your diet plan. First of all, the leaves help cleanse the body and remove harmful toxins in the form of excretory wastes along with urine and feces. 5. Heals wounds. Curry leaves can accelerate the process of healing wounds, cuts and burns. Curry leaves have antioxidant and antibacterial properties that not only accelerate healing but also reduce the risk of infections. 6. Stimulates hair growth. Curry leaves also help strengthen hair roots. In addition, there are several nutrients in the leaves that can help repair damaged hair roots. 7. Relieves morning sickness. If you are in your first trimester of pregnancy and suffering from general queasiness, then you must definitely give curry leaves a try. Curry leaves increase digestive secretions and thereby help reduce nausea, vomiting and morning sickness. Also, the aroma of curry leaves helps a lot.